Hello friend. Active Directory members, Active Directory group members detail extracting. Okay. The details will be user about the email ID of user, domain ID of user, and the username of the AD group member. Let's create this PowerShell script in the PowerShell ISC environment. So let's create. First, we will create the some design. So for the print, we will use the assembly led write host. Oh, sorry, write host, write host. Then we will use the semicolon. Let's use some design just for print purpose in the script. Then we will close the column. Next, print will be written about the script what actually this script will do while we will run this script. So let's go print this message also. Dash host comma yes. This script function function is exporting members details from AD group. Attributes क्या होंगे? Sorry, the header detail uh, username comma email ID of user then domain ID of user. Okay, um, and we will create the this text is a color changing. For this, we will use there is a command foreground. Foreground is a color. Okay, I'm going to show dash uh, foreground. Just a minute. Foreground. 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 Foreground is the color. Color. Foreground color. Which is the command foreground. What will be used? We use the cyan. Cyan color. Okay. The next print there is nothing just about the design. Host comma space colon nothing means just start and let's give no issue and then colon close. Let's increase this also as well. Let's go. We will put the another. Let's see. Write simple the message. Uh, Simply. Let's see. We will get say simple. See here. Script will start. Okay. Simple message. Script. Script will start here, and then use the O and simple close the column. And let's go write down the code. Okay. In this script, we will use the do while loop because if I get more AD group detail, then once you will place in the last we want the another group, then this script will loop start will from the start here. Okay. So for this command, we will use the do do, and we will you open the curly bracket because you are going to write down a command. Okay. Then we will write down the flag. We will be create the variable flag, flag, and what will be the flag? Flag will be the equal to flag will be the y closed. Simple. This will be the flag and close. Now we will create the uh, another variable group member. Group member uh, equal to read host. Actually, read host is just the read the whatever you have entered. The script will be the read as a input. Then will be you the read dash host and will be tab host. See, my keyboard is some creating problem. No issue. Read host will be use the column. Sorry, enter the path. What will we write? We can write here. Please simple enter the group name. See here, enter the group name. Enter the group name. Simple here, group name. Group name and it will be closed. Sorry, closed. Move. Name dollar is registered read host. Okay, this will be there is some problem. Road host. I think something missing here. The string missing the terminator. Yeah, it is the terminator. Oh, yeah, you can see it. Yeah, this is this one the issue. Okay, no issue. The another variable will be simple. The another variable will be enter path. The another variable will be create the enter path. Enter path equal to what equal to read host. example read post करेंगे background में Intel and write down the folder enter the folder path to save extracted data in CSV format. Let's see for example. Okay, for example, C then colon my file dot csv will be like that. Okay, first this will be like that and close simple. Okay, next now will we use the ad command active directory. Whatever the active directory you have, import the active directory module in the PowerShell. Then we will we will use the active directory command. Uh, get what ad what ad group ad group. Wow, let's see the spelling. group ad group space member. This is the command of active directory ad group get as ad group member, and then I will use the identity. Then I use the identity. Then simple we will put here the created what group member. The simple we will create the group name enter group member here. Simple we will use the group member, yeah, and use the type. Okay, group member space group member. This will be recursive. 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 Sorry, this the keyboard is not something working. Recursive. Like R U C spelling RUCURSIVE. Recursive. Recursive. Then will we use the pipelining. Use the pipelining. Yeah, this is the pipeline enter. And then this command will be use the get ad user. Okay, get ad group member, then with the get ad user, the same command get dash ad user. Get ad user. Okay, this is the official command. What in what does properties will below properties. In what properties we can get the data about mail dash. And next, what was that? Uh, mail, same account, yeah, same account name. Here we go, the name account, and we will use the pipelining here as well, and press the enter simple. Next, now I'm in the group properties of the AD. Okay, let's select the object. What we select the object? Select dash, yeah, just simple. Wow. Enter what I need to select. First name, comma. The what we want in the our CSV file, the username, simple the member name, and the second what was this one, this this copy because this is the very and you can paste here, no issue. Yeah, this one. This is the domain ID and third what was mail. Yeah, mail. I mean member mail, email ID. Okay, and we can close here the bit pipelining and enter. We will go the get line. Now all the information we have entered, whether we have the enter the AD group member and we have selected, we will go the property and select the object. The details now we are going to export in CSV format. For this for this here we are simply let export CSV. When we will lift the export, no, it's not expand. This is the export or not export here. We will use the export CSV. No, it's not time. Export CSV. This is the official command. CSV path. What will be the path? Let's mention the path. And you can hear it. This is the path. We have created already the what? Already you have created the variable. Simply we will use the dollar dollar and it's a path. Yeah, this is the done. Space, no type information. We don't need any type of information. No, no type information. This one. Okay, that's okay. No type information. Now we have total done here. Okay. Now we have achieved my target. We have exported data. Now we will apply the loop here. Okay, because the loop here. So let's print a message first. Uh, Post. What we will be use the message here. We can write here. Do you want? Do you uh, do you want enter? Do you want enter different AD group? Yeah, no here. Okay, it group here. We can use here question mark because this is the question mark. So the question mark. Use the question mark. No issue. And here the question mark here. Oh, sorry. Yeah, this is the question mark. Enter. We'll use the comma. The comma. What we need to write down here? Y slash n. Okay, here we go. Okay, now we have wrote down the use the flag again. Dollar flag equal to what? Read host. Okay, then we will close the curly bracket here. simple, and while loop we will use here. While loop, while while then keep it this the bracket, what we need to break it here, what we need to break the flag equal to y. Okay, whether the dollar dollar minus q equal 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 what, y. You can, oh, y, no, it's a column, and with the y, and close the bracket here. Simple. uh, Write down the next message. Okay, write host, no, what host, write host, what is the message. If you press no, then this script will be terminated here. Okay, let's write down the message here. Closing the script here. Okay, the closing the script here. This is the total path. You can see here what will happen. First, we will print a just like a layout of the script. This message, this is right hook just for print the message. Okay, and we have used the do and while the loop, because whether the detail has been fetched, this message here, do you want to different, do you want to get the detail for different area group, this will, while you press the enter, the script will start from here again. Okay, so let's jump out to the practical. Okay, let's see how this script will work. Okay, hello friend. Now I'm logging in my Active Directory server 2012. You can see here the script we have created. This is this one. This one. Let's do create some. Uh, let's extract some user from Active Directory group. Okay. This is the script. Okay. Let's run the script here. Yeah. Let's open the full function. Okay. Yeah. We can see here, as I write the script, this is the run. Simply the group, the enter the group here name. You can enter the group name here. Let's open the Active Directory console and find out the Active Directory group. Let's see. Yeah, this is the OU and this is the group. This is the group 1, group 2, group 3. You can see that group 2. Let's open this group and see how many users added in this group. Total all 3 users already added in this group. The group name is group 1. Okay. The next line is enter the following path, the shape extracted data in the CSV format. For example, C. Uh, uh, let me see the path. First path. We can see here the see, right, no issue. Let's do here and let's enter the AD group name. The group name is group 1, no issue. Let's copy the group 1. I have copied it and paste in the script. Enter the group name. Okay, and then enter. Now he's asking for whether you want to save your extracted CSV format. Okay, so let's see. Ad group, ad members dot, enter the again group name because script is already completed. Let's run the again. Paste the group name, enter. Now this is asking the pull path. C colon with ad backslash my file, sorry, the folder name will be this, copy, no issue, yeah, and then paste, and now the enter. Yeah, you can see the script is completed and it's resumed to the new. Okay, let's see the exported data folder. Ad group member, no issue. Let's see what the data are exported in this folder. Let's open this folder. Okay, and paste this folder here. Okay, let's go to the, let's jump to the our system, our whole system, and open the control show folder. This is the save folder, and where is the file name ad group members. So let's copy this file here. Yeah, hi. Yeah, yes friend, you can see simply name, domain IDs, and the user email IDs. Whatever that we have written the code in the PowerShell script, the result is in front of you all. You can see this one. Okay, is that all? Is that so? So friend, thank you for the watching this video, and